Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fabrica Keto. Today we will cook some delicious keto pancakes. I will leave all the ingredients in the description below. To start, we're gonna need 4 eggs on our blender, a half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and a quarter teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Then we're gonna add 1 bar of cream cheese. For a low-carb diet, you can add some metabolic protein, but this is optional for a keto diet. This time, I opt to add 2 scoops of this protein. Once we add it, we're gonna keep mixing. And now guys, we just gotta preheat our pan in a medium temperature. Add a little bit of coconut oil, and when this reaches a really good temperature, we can start add our pancake mix. At this point, we just gotta be checking our pancakes really close. After 2 minutes, flip it, and here we go guys. That's how we get our delicious keto pancakes ready. You can also add a little bit of keto condensate milk. If you haven't watched our video how to make a keto condensate milk, don't wait. I will leave all the links in the description below. Remember, if you want to lose weight while eating delicious, subscribe to our channel. This is Fabrica Keto. We will see you soon. Bye.